Hi guys, welcome to 9 Regency Crescent in Kirkham. It's raining again, but that's not dampened my enthusiasm for what is one of the best houses I've seen in a long time. Let's go inside and take a look. So I thought I'd show you around basically the jewel in the crown. So is this wonderful open plan kitchen family living area. So on this side you've got the wonderful kitchen, double ovens, 2 dishwashers, this lovely island unit which is bespoke, which has been hand built for the property, curved work surface on this side which is granite, obviously plenty of space for everybody to sit at the breakfast bar while someone's preparing the food. It's an absolutely beautiful kitchen. On this side of the room you've got space then for a 10-seater dining table, and then we've got bifolds which look out the back onto the composite deck and artificial grass, which again, if you're a working family, you're going to want a low maintenance garden. And then on this side, we've got a wonderful living area, which as you can see is big enough to get the whole family in, wall mounted television with the concealed cabling. It's a great place for relaxing at the evening.
Wherever you are.
On the first floor there are 4 bedrooms. The master bedroom has got a walk-in wardrobe along with an ensuite shower room with his and her sinks. Bedroom 2 and bedroom 3 have got a Jack and Jill shower room accessed from both sides. Bedroom 4, which is again a double, is used as a nursery but would accommodate a double bed. Then in the centre you have the family 3-piece bathroom suite with Velux windows allowing lots of natural light in, and they are electric.